Good morning from sunny approach. It is another beautiful day here at the farm, but not such a beautiful day for our Airstream Interstate. It's going to hospital. Once again, our Volta system in the Airstream is misbehaving. So I just clicked the startup button on it and it's doing its little pre-flight checks. Refrigerator came on. Got some lights, all that looks good, right? Nice and fully powered up. But when we try to turn the inverter on, nothing happens. The inverter refuses to come on. And you might have seen some earlier videos that I did that teach you how to do a reset by holding down the power button until it does a beep. Nope, that will not work either. Nor will any of the tricks about starting the engine and using the alternator to kickstart it, or the soft reset where you plug in and unplug. All of those things, nothing works. The good folks at Volta said, we're sorry, about the only thing we can do for you at this point is to have you bring it into the Airstream hospital and they will contact us and work through it. So that is where we're packing up for, trying to clean up the last few bits and pieces that don't need to be in here before we leave for the journey, which is about 2.5 hours from where we live. So wish our Airstream good luck so that hopefully we can come back and do some nice little travel trips with you and bring you on our journey back to national parks and other things like that. Whatever you're doing today, we hope that you have a sunny day.